What if we're living in the Matrix and we don't even know it? What if I told you this video isn't real and I was created by AI?
AI is very advanced, and it is taking over the world.
All right, pause for a second. What if I told you none of those clips were filmed with a camera? No actors, no locations, just one single text prompt, and you get that level of realism. Wild, right? This is not science fiction. This is Google Veo 3, and yes, it's very real, very powerful, and completely changing how we create videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to Money Academy. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Veo 3 to make your own videos, and more importantly, how to use it for free in 2025 with no subscription required. I'll also show you how to get the best possible results, even if you've never touched an AI tool before. Because once you see what this thing can do, you'll never look at video creation the same way again. Let's get started. So, let's talk about the part you're probably most excited about, how to actually get your hands on Veo 3 without spending a dime. First, head over to the official Google DeepMind site. Now, here's the deal. Veo 3 isn't available just anywhere. You'll only find it inside Gemini and Google's Flow platform. We'll start with Gemini because it's the easiest way to try it out today. And yes, there's a 100% free trial for 1 month. Just sign up and you're in. Once you're on the site, click the Gemini button and it'll open up a new page where you can activate that free trial. I'm using it right now myself. Now that you're in, open up Gemini. On the left-hand side, you'll notice something interesting. You've got 3 different AI models to choose from. For the best visuals and smoothest output, I recommend going with the Pro model. It delivers noticeably better results. Now, quick heads up. Gemini gives you a limited number of video generations per day. But no worries, those credits reset every day, so you're never locked out for long. Scroll down a bit and hit the video button. Gemini will automatically switch over to Veo 3 as the video model. At this point, all you need to do is type in your prompt to start generating a video. How to create prompts. To create these prompts, we'll now be using the good old ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT in a new tab and use the prompt box like your personal script lab. To get started, just type out what kind of scene you want. For example, let's say I want a video of a girl walking towards a bus stop in the rain with a red umbrella in her hand. I'll ask ChatGPT to create a detailed prompt for this visual. Here's what you can say to guide ChatGPT. Generate a prompt that I can feed into a video generation software to create a video of a girl walking towards a bus stop in the rain with a red umbrella in her hand. You can also add a few visual cues to guide ChatGPT even more. For example, in this case, I can say she's wearing a yellow raincoat and a gray car passes by her as she's walking on the side of the road. Once you hit generate, ChatGPT will whip up a fully detailed prompt, perfectly formatted for Veo 3. All you have to do now is copy that prompt and head back into Gemini. Once you're in Gemini, check the left panel again. Make sure you're still on the video tab and that the model is set to Veo 3. It should be selected by default. Next, simply paste your prompt into the prompt box. No need to tweak anything else. Once that's in, hit generate. Gemini will start creating your AI-generated video using Veo 3. Just give it a few moments and you'll see your video come to life right on the screen. It's really that easy. Veo 3 in Flow. If you want to explore advanced settings in video creation, you need to give Flow a try. It gives you more control over the video creation process. Start by heading to the Flow webpage, then click on the Create with Flow button. Sign in with the same Google account you used to activate the free trial. Once you're inside Flow, look to the left panel and click the big plus button to begin. You'll now see 3 options: text to video, frames to video, and ingredients to video. Frames to video is for image sequences, while ingredients to video is for ultimate users, so we'll skip them for now. Our focus is the text to video option. Go ahead and select text to video. Next, open the settings tab on the right-hand side. Here you'll find some key customization options. The first setting lets you choose how many videos you want to generate with one prompt. Just below that is the model settings, which are crucial. Here's the important part. Even though you'll see fast mode and quality mode options, those are actually based on Veo 2. To use Veo 3, you'll need to select the highest quality setting. That's the one that taps into the latest V3 model. So make sure that's selected before you generate your video. Now you can start creating a video using the Flow and Veo 3 model. I'll go with the same example that I used earlier. It'll prompt Flow to generate a video of a girl walking towards a bus stop in pouring rain. Right next to the visual prompt, I'll also add an audio cue, heavy rain or rain on pavement. Once everything's set, just hit the generate button and let Flow do its magic. The generation takes just a few minutes. After a short wait, the video is ready to view. Let's check it out. As you can see, the visuals are incredible and the sound is hyper-realistic. Honestly, the result feels like something shot on a real road, not AI generated. To download your video, click the download button above it. Flow gives you a few format options. You can download the video as a GIF or in the original version. If you want, you can also upscale it to 1080p for maximum quality. Now let's try something a bit more cinematic. This time, I'll ask it to create a moody night scene of a futuristic cityscape viewed from a moving hover car. I'll also include ambient synth music to match the cyberpunk tone. Prompt in, setting selected, and generate. Let's check the result. The neon reflections and sweeping skyline animations are impressive. The music syncs beautifully, creating a Blade Runner-esque mood. Testing frames to video. Now let's explore one of Flow's most creative tools, frames to video. To start, scroll down to the Features section and select Frames to Video. This feature lets you upload a starting image and an ending image. Then, Flow animates the transition between them. For this test, I've created 2 new AI-generated images. The first frame is a calm mountain village at dawn, with mist rolling through the hills and smoke gently rising from chimneys. In the second frame, the same village is shown during a vibrant sunrise, bustling with people and animals starting their day. Golden light is reflecting off rooftops and birds are flying overhead. Next, I'll input a prompt describing how the animation should flow from frame 1 to frame 2. Here's what I use. Animate the rising sun, casting golden light over the valley as the village comes to life. Add morning fog slowly fading and birds soaring into the sky. You can easily generate similar prompts using ChatGPT, just like we did earlier. Next, you click Generate. Keep in mind that the frames to video feature currently only uses the Veo 2 model, so you won't get sound effects and the visual quality may be a bit lower than V3. Still, the result is usually impressive. Here's the finished video. Even with V2, the animation looks smooth and atmospheric. Before I wrap up, let's talk pricing for a second. Veo 3 starts at $270 per year. If you want more credits and commercial usage rights, you'll have to get the Plus package, which comes at $450 per year. I have to admit it's not the most affordable option out there, but considering the quality of the animations and the convenience it offers, it might be worth the investment if you want to create a faceless YouTube channel. As you've seen so far, it can do wonders for video creation. So give it a try with the free version and drop your experience in the comments. Till next time, peace.